Mythics, an Oracle Platinum partner and also a preferred partner for the Oracle Database Appliance, worked with Notre Dame University to not only architect the solution, educate them about the advantages of the Oracle Database Appliance, but also worked with them to give a roadmap long-term for their database systems as part of their technology refresh. One thing at Mythics we like to stress with our clients is that an aging IT infrastructure has more expense to the client and more risk than simply failed systems. They're losing the advantage of the new technology and how it can accelerate existing business processes. An example where it helps is something with the Oracle Database Appliance X7. These systems offer more CPU and more disk capacity and more performance than any other existing Oracle Database Appliance. This enables savings and efficiencies that could do things like remove the need for ETL in a process like what happened with Nova, where their dentistry system no longer had to have a second reporting database. They were able to put all their workload, both their OLTP, transactional, and their reports on a single database appliance, removing the need for a whole entire database system and the complexity of daily ETL.